Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ravi. In this video, I would like to explain about what is interactive mode and what is script mode in Python. But before going to that, a small request. Those who are visiting first time to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. And for my latest and update videos, press on that bell icon also. So now let us see the concept. What is interactive mode and what is script mode in Python? Okay, right. To write and run or execute a Python program, we need to have a Python interpreter installed on our computer. That means if we want to write a program in Python, or if we want to execute or run a program in Python, the first of all we have to install the Python software, that is Python interpreter, in our computer. That means, so what is the purpose of this run or execute a program means, if we want to see the output or if we want to see the result, we have to run that program, or we have to, can also call as execute the program. That means the first step is we have to write the code. After that, if we want to see the result or if we want to see the output, we have to go for run the program, or we can also call as we have to go for the execution. That means execute the program, then only we can able to see the output or result of that program. To do all these things, first of all we have to install the Python interpreter in our computer. So in the first video I have explained how to install Python in our computer. In the description I have given the link, you can follow. Right. The second statement is the interpreter is also called Python shell. This interpreter what we have installed now, it is also called as Python shell. Next point, the symbol, this symbol, observe, the symbol is called Python prompt, which indicates that the interpreter is ready to receive instruction. That means whenever we open the Python window, we will see this symbol. This symbol we are calling as, this symbol we are calling as Python prompt. That means, so suppose if we want to type the program means, here from here only, from this symbol only we have to type the program, and the name of this symbol is Python prompt. Okay. Next, we can type commands or statements on this prompt for execution. If you want to start the program, if you want to write the program, we have to start with this symbol. That means whenever we open the Python window, we will observe this symbol. From here only we have to type the program. Now let us see once. Suppose, see here, now I'm opening the Python window. See here Python, and we have to click on IDLE. See, observe here, this is a Python window. Here we are observing this symbol we are calling as a Python prompt. So whenever we want to write the program is, from here only we have to start typing the program. This is we are calling as the Python interpreter, and you observe here this is also called as, this is also called as shell. Observe here, this is also called as Python shell. Okay. So next one, see here, see in Python, suppose we have typed a program. After that, what we have to do, we have to execute that program. So then only we can see the results or output. So we have two types of execution. Here there are two ways to run a program using the Python interpreter. That means in execution we have two ways. Execution modes we have two ways. We have written the program. If we want to execute the program is, here we have two ways to run a program. Execution is nothing but run. Here we have two modes. The first one is interactive mode and the second one is script mode. The first one is interactive mode and the second one is script mode. So now let us see what is interactive mode and what is script mode. Now first of all, let us see what is interactive mode. Okay, see. In the interactive mode, we can type a Python statement on the prompt directly. That means now only we have seen. So whenever we open the Python window, we will see this symbol that is called as Python prompt. So what will happen in the interaction mode means we can type a Python statement on the prompt directly. Yes. As soon as we press enter, the interrupter executes the statement and displays the result. That means after opening the Python window, at Python prompt we can type the program. So whenever we press the enter button, automatically it displays the result. Okay. But in the interactive mode, we cannot save the statement for future use and we have to retype the statements to run them again. Okay. So but in the interactive modes, what happens here means we cannot save the statements, whatever the program we are typing, whatever the statements we are giving, so we cannot save that statements for future use. So if you want to see the program, is again we have to type the program, again we have to type the statements. That means there is no chance for saving the statements for future use in interactive mode. This is about interactive mode. Once let us see what is interactive mode here means. See here, now I am opening the Python window and this is we are calling as the interactive mode. Suppose see here 1 plus 3. Simply I have typed a small program. So now just I am pressing enter button. See, automatically it is displaying. So automatically it is displaying the result. So this is we are calling as the interactive mode. So in the interactive mode, there is no chance for we cannot save the statements for future use. That is we are calling as the interactive mode. See, whatever we are seeing now, this is we are calling as the interactive mode. See here we have given a small statement. So whenever I press enter, automatically it is showing it is displaying the result. But we can't save this one for future use. This is we are calling as the interactive mode. So then what about the next one? See here. So the next one is script mode. Script mode. Script mode is nothing but in the script mode we can write a Python program in a file, okay, and save it. That means what is the difference between interactive mode and script mode? Means in script mode we can save the file. See here, in the script mode we can write a Python program in a file, yes, save it, and then use the interpreter to execute the program from the file. That means in script mode, so we are saving the statements in a file and we are saving that file, and after saving, so we are executing the file from, we are executing the program from that file. That is the difference between interactive mode and script mode. In interactive mode we cannot save the file, but whereas in script mode we can save the file. Okay, right. And such program files have a extension .py extension. See, so while we are saving the file, so we have to give .py extension, and they are also known as scripts, and and Python scripts can be created using any editor. So these Python scripts can be created using any editor, but Python has a built-in editor called IDLE which can be used to create program. So these Python scripts can be created by using any editors, but by default in the Python we have a editor that is called as IDLE, Integrated Development Learning Environment. It is automatically by default there is in Python. Okay, so which can be used to create the programs. Okay, so this is about the script mode. The basic difference is in interactive mode we cannot save the file, but whereas in script mode we can save the file for the future use. In script mode we have to save the files with the extension of .py, and they are also known as scripts. So as program files we are calling as scripts. These scripts can be created by using any editor, but in Python automatically inbuilt we have an editor that is called as IDLE which can be used to create programs. Now let us see once how to create a program file in script mode. See here, right? So what is the procedure in script mode means? See here, first of all we have to open the Python interpreter. After that, click on file. See here, click on file. Here new file is their option. Observe here, new file. See here, I am clicking. So file, new file. See here, whenever I click on new file, now here I am giving one program. See here, a print, print hello world. I am giving HELLOWORLD, hello world. Close. Okay. After this, in script mode, we have to save that file. Again, click on file menu. Here we have save option. Click here. So now I'm saving this file on desktop, but here while giving the file name, we have to give with the .py extension, RAVI. For example, RA Ramesh .py. That means we have to save the file in script mode with the extension of .py and save this file. Okay. Now we have to run the program. In script mode, this is the procedure. First of all, we have to open the window. After that, we have to type the program. After that, we have to save that program. And after that, we have to go for the run. See here, we have saved here. After that, observe here, one menu is there, run menu. Okay. So I'm clicking on this run menu and you observe here. See here. Here run module is there, F5 is there. That means directly we can press F5 from the keyboard, or if you click on this run module also, the program will execute. Okay, so now I am clicking here. Observe here, hello world. The output is displaying here. Observe here. Okay, right. Okay, so this is about what is interactive mode and what is script mode in Python. If you have any doubts or queries regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.